Welcome back, peer structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is October 18, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be October 19, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, give you some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, we did see some nice upward movement today, climbed as high as somewhere around these 44.84s, and you can see just pulling back a little bit. So I do think we may end up getting a little bit of a push higher, maybe somewhere back into the 84 to 85, and then possibly into about 44.88. With maybe another higher level, a hopium level here, somewhere around 4,500. So we'll see if that happens, but support's going to come in here right around these 44.73s for a potential push to the upside. Next level down below for support, 44.69.25. Those are the two areas that I'm looking for to see if we catch some support at these two areas. If not, look for the market to drop a little bit deeper, somewhere around these 44.62s and or 44.55. I mean 54. 54 to 55 as the next area of support. But as of right now, closer levels for me again is going to be right around those 44.73 to about 44.69s. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here, show what's going on here on the smaller chart for S&P. So moving into this smaller chart here for S&P, again, waiting patiently to get a nice pullback down. There should be a decent pullback here. Now, if we fail to get through this area here and we find these buyers trying to hold this up, this could be a long opportunity here right off these 73s. If we just break right through, look to see if these buyers step in right here, right around these 69.25s, and then get a potential push out from that area for the long opportunity. But again, I think we still may end up heading bullish into those 84s again. And then above that 88. If not, we may end up turning back down, touching some of the levels of support down below, 62 and then 54 underneath. So we'll see what happens there. Let's take a look at gold, what's going on there. So with gold, you can see we are climbing back up into our levels. Want to see if we hit this resistance 1778 and how we react off of that level. If we fail to get through, this is going to be a good opportunity for us to try to short this area right back down. So we'll see if we get back up into that area and fail to get through. For those who want to continue a long opportunity, I do got more of a major support level somewhere around 1756.7. You can see we stopped just shy of that area, holding support right around these 60.7s and then bouncing right back up. So we'll see if we do hold support here, maybe around the 1770s. That could give you a micro level support to push up to 78 and potentially through that. But I do like the 78s as resistance to try to pull down. So I may end up looking for a short opportunity there right off of those 78s. Let's go ahead and take a look at a smaller chart here on gold. So again, you can see a little bit of a closer view as to what's happening here on gold. Again, we're trying to gradually pull into this level. So waiting patiently to see if we can get up into these 78s. So 77, 78s. If we double top right off this area, this is going to be a good short if we cannot get through that level. So we're going to look out for that. If we do find the support, may find the support here as a micro level, these 70s, that may end up pushing us right back up to that level. If not, look for the market to try to drop down below somewhere around those 1760s and then below that into the 56s. Those could be your areas of support as well if you want to look out for that. But for me, first area of trade is going to be right around these 78s. If we do get an opportunity for resistance, I'm going to look for a short opportunity from that level. If we fail to find the resistance at 78, next level above that 1787.9 as resistance all the way up here. So if we get up to this level, we may end up filling off this area here. That could be a potential good short off of that area. So we'll keep an eye out for that as well. Moving over into crude oil, let's see what's happening here on crude oil. So crude oil bouncing off a strong level of support somewhere around these 81.30s. Yeah, 81.30s. Nice double bottom we had right here on crude oil, bouncing up. Should come and retest these 81.95s. Now if we fail to get through 81.95, this may end up going sideways right from this level. So keep this as a area of potential resistance and a potential short opportunity. If we fail to get back up above 81.95, this could head right back down into 81.30, then below that 80.84 as your next level of support. So we're going to keep an eye out for these levels here, as they could be supports down below here. If we break through, well, if we don't break through 81.30, this is going to be a great long opportunity from this level. But if we just fall right through, next level down below 80.84 as the support here. So we'll keep an eye out for that. But right now, coming into resistance, so I do want to see if we fail off those 81.95s as a level of resistance. If we do, that's going to be our short opportunity. If not, look for the market to come back into these 82.33s, and that could be a great short opportunity as well if we do not break above that level. But other than that, that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care. Bye.